Hello everyone, Nina here with Stitchable Cards. This video is to walk you through some website updates. First of all, the new card total for free US shipping is now $69.99. This means that any order totaling $70 and more before shipping and sales tax will get no shipping charges. Otherwise, the standard shipping charge is $6 per order. We are working on options for more economic ways to ship just the patterns. The biggest change to the Kit Club is that now all three renewal options are separate listings. We have retired all the past kits by December 31st last year. From now on, all one-time purchases will be available as soon as the kits are released. We will update the product photos for the bi-monthly subscriptions to indicate the shipping kit. Once a new kit is released, you won't be able to order the past kits. You can still find the past patterns in the patterns section on our website to complete your collection. There is one more change to the website. We just turned on subscription option for the Stitchable Pinking Shapes that work with the stitchable patterns. If you are a card maker and is on the stitching kit plan, you can add the stitchable shapes to your subscription to have them shipped together. You might be charged for shipping the first time, but we will make sure your future subscription orders ship free. That's all for today. Thank you for your continued support of Stitchable Cards. It's all for the love of cross stitching and card making. Happy crafting!